What if I told you that just a few carefully chosen words could unlock his heart and make him see you in a whole new light? Sounds like magic, right? Today we're diving into 14 phrases that actually work. If you're tired of playing games and ready to build genuine connection, you're in the right place. This is all about communication that makes someone feel seen, understood, and naturally drawn to you, because effective communication really is the secret sauce. Let's get started. Section 1. Building connection. Before we begin, it's important to say this clearly. These are not manipulative tricks. They're about authenticity, presence, and emotional intelligence. Phrase 1. I really admire how you always give him a deserved compliment tied to a specific action. This works because it's specific. Instead of a generic compliment, you're recognizing something unique about him. It shows you're paying attention and that you truly value his effort. And genuine recognition like that is incredibly powerful. Phrase 2. That sounds really challenging. How are you feeling about it? This shows empathy without trying to fix anything. You're creating space for emotional openness, which builds trust and intimacy. Feeling emotionally understood is a huge connector. Phrase 3. I was thinking about what you said about. Reference something specific he mentioned earlier. This signals that you truly listened. It tells him his thoughts stayed with you even after the conversation ended, keeps the dialogue meaningful, and shows genuine interest in his perspective. Section 2. Expressing appreciation and interest. Now, let's move into phrases that deepen appreciation and naturally strengthen attraction. Phrase 4. You always know how to make me laugh. Humor builds instant connection. This validates the joy he brings into your life and makes him feel good about the way he shows up around you. Phrase 5. I feel so calm and safe when I'm with you. This one is vulnerable and direct. Whether it's calm, happy, inspired, or safe, you're clearly expressing how he positively affects your emotional state. That kind of honesty is powerful. Phrase 6. Tell me more about your passion for. Whether it's a hobby or something he genuinely loves, people naturally light up when talking about their passions. This shows curiosity about his world and gives him the space to share what matters most to him. Phrase 7. I really appreciate you for listening to me when I needed to talk. Specific appreciation hits differently. Whether he listened, helped, or showed up when it mattered, acknowledging it clearly makes him feel valued and respected. Section 3. Creating deeper connection and intrigue. These next phrases invite emotional closeness and build a stronger bond. Vulnerability is key here. Phrase 8. I'm really glad we met. Simple, sincere, and meaningful. It expresses gratitude for his presence in your life and subtly acknowledges the impact he's had. Phrase 9. I've been thinking about you. This classic line works because it's honest and warm. It lets him know he matters to you even when you're apart, without pressure or expectation. Phrase 10. I trust your judgment on this. Trust is deeply attractive. This phrase communicates respect, confidence, and belief in his abilities, especially when decisions are involved. Phrase 11. What's something you're proud of lately? This invites him to share wins and accomplishments. It allows you to celebrate his growth and success together, strengthening emotional connection. Section 4. Future and shared experiences. Let's close with phrases that hint at togetherness and shared moments ahead. Phrase 12. We should totally grab coffee, try a new restaurant, or go for a walk sometime. This is casual, low pressure, and forward-looking. It shows you're open to spending more time together without forcing anything. Phrase 13. I love how we can just be ourselves, talk about anything, or share other comfortable activities. This highlights emotional ease and safety. It acknowledges the unique comfort you share and reinforces the bond you're building. Phrase 14. You make me want to be a better person. This is deep and meaningful. It recognizes his positive influence on your growth and speaks volumes about the connection you feel. Conclusion. So there you have it. 14 phrases designed to build real connection, emotional closeness, and genuine attraction. Remember, the words matter, but sincerity matters even more. Speak with presence, be authentic, let the connection grow naturally. Which of these phrases resonates with you the most? Or maybe you already have a go-to phrase that works every time. Keep practicing, stay true to yourself, and remember, great connections are built, not forced. Thanks for listening, and until next time, go connect.